Being a part of SVSU was my destiny from a very young age. With my father already working there and my older siblings attending there, I knew SVSU was a place I would feel welcome. What I learned over the years is that it would also be a place where I would meet lifelong friends, and it would become the beginning of a solid foundation that I was able to build a fulfilling professional journey on. When I think back to that 17-year-old girl, I am truly thankful and humbled to be where I am today. I think one of my biggest impacts of my success is being an example of what is possible. As a senior leader for the Cleveland Cavaliers, I am an example and role model for other women and girls who want to pursue a career in sports and entertainment. I am keenly aware of how my presence as a woman of color is a positive impact in and of itself. Earning my bachelor's degree from SVSU opened the first door of my professional career. I could name a lot of people within the SVSU family who supported and encouraged me along my journey, but none more important than my father, the late Napoleon Lewis Sr. My father saw the best in SVSU, and he passed that on to each of his children. I learned quickly that I had many people at SVSU that sincerely cared about me and my future, but none more than he and my mother, Neely Lewis. My confidence and awareness as a Black woman grew through experiences with other students of color. Exceptional faculty like Dr. John Klinkenbeard and caring faculty were great examples of committed professionals. Teamwork, confidence, and self-awareness are all things I lean on daily in my world of work. The professional sports industry may have more men by numbers, but I can say with complete confidence that there are many women, and particularly women of color like myself, who hold our own. We lead teams successfully and we drive bottom line results, all while never forgetting that part of our strength comes from being prepared and our desire to be the ultimate professional. Saginaw Valley will forever be part of my life, my history, and most importantly, my family legacy. I am forever grateful and thankful to be called an SVSU alum. Go Cavs and go Cardinals.